All right, fam. So let's make this quick. In this video, we're going to go through how to do the hack for Home Depot on mobile. So let's jump right into it. You're going to go to one of these links. Now, this hack or glitch or proration or whatever you want to call it, it's available on multiple items. Anytime you hear me or any of the other deal guys refer to hacks, all it means is just either canceling an item or returning an item in store so that you can get a prorated price on a bare tool or a battery. That being said, that being explained, that's as simple as I can make it. You're going to go to this link for the M12 deal, and there's multiple hacks going on at the depot right now. We've got some Ryobi hacks, we've got other M12 hacks, we've got some I don't know. The point is there's a bunch there. Can't remember off the top of my head. Regardless, scroll down, pick the tool you want, or battery, whatever. Slap them in your cart. Now we're going to go check out that cart because you do need to split these up for the hack to work. There should be one there. Okay. So there we have our tool, bare tool, in this case the 5 3/8 circular saw, and we've got our 2 6s. I've got a ton of batteries, so let's go ahead and switch the circ saw to store pickup. Now we've got them split up, one item for store pickup and one item for ship to home. So this next part, this is going to be up to you. You've got to go through with the checkout, whether it's through PayPal, whether it's through credit card, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Buttcoin, whatever coin, Monopoly money, I don't care. I'm sure Home Depot doesn't care as long as it retains value as well. You know, who knows, they might be able to barter with you. Point being, proceed with your checkout and then pull up to your account. Once you go into your account, you're going to go into your online orders. There you'll see that both of the items are separate. You're going to see the 2 6s or, vice versa. Whichever is the item that you want to cancel, that'll be the item that you had shipped to home. In this case, it is the 2 6s. So cancel them out. It's going to take you to another page. Are you sure you want to cancel the following items? Your order may be canceled within 45 minutes, blah, 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 whatever the Home Depot tells you. Yes, cancel that. And I know that they claim to give you 45 minutes to cancel your order. I wouldn't take more than 20 because I've had this thing ship my items in less than 20. So do it as quickly as you possibly can, and then you'll get a cancellation successful page. And that's it, guys. Shortly after that, you'll get an email confirmation just like that, showing that your hacked item was canceled. And now you can go to the store and pick up your your store pickup item for the prorated price. Easy as pie. So I will leave a link for this hack in the description down below. Now that y'all need it, a lot of y'all already know where to get it. But that's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.